has never had a highball.
Yeah, remember the hot air balloon incident?
What?
The hot air balloon incident?
I was there.
We were up all night on cocaine.
Yeah, you called me looking for a dry cleaning bag.
And we made the, hot air balloons out of the, the cleaning bag. Remember? Go. With the candle.
Fill me in. I remember.
You let her go. And they go way up the sky and all that, and they burn up and fall down. But when it was landing on the roof of your house, the house next door to you, and we're like, oh, we're going to catch this house on fire. So Buckmaster's out there with a hose at 2 in the morning trying to put it out on this neighbor's house. I think that neighbor's going to hear his water running and come out,
His brother was there.
Wow. Pretty cool. Yeah, anyways, all these.
My duck has never had a highball. He lost more than he kept. See that? Look, he just crunches it and most of it went away. My duck has never had a highball.
Come on out.
A pretzel delight.
He lost more than he kept. See that? My duck has never had a highball.